Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by many gamers, PlayStation 4 problems. Whether you're experiencing connectivity issues, software glitches, or hardware malfunctions, we've got you covered with practical solutions. Stick around as we troubleshoot the most common PS4 problems and show you how to fix them. 1. PS4 won't turn on. Problem description. One of the most frustrating issues is when your PS4 won't power up, leaving you unable to game. Check the power cable and ensure it's securely plugged into both the console and the power outlet. Try using a different power outlet to rule out any issues with the socket. Press and hold the power button for at least 7 seconds to initiate a hard reset. If these steps don't work, consider replacing the power supply unit. 2. PS4 overheating. Problem description. Is your PS4 getting unusually hot or shutting down due to overheating? Ensure your PS4 is placed in a well-ventilated area with plenty of airflow around it. Clean the vents and fans regularly to remove dust buildup that can obstruct airflow. Consider using a cooling fan or stand designed for the PS4 to improve air circulation. Avoid playing for extended periods without breaks to prevent overheating. 3. PS4 controller not connecting. Problem description. Your PS4 controller isn't syncing with the console, making it impossible to play. Solution. Connect the controller to the PS4 using a USB cable and press the PS button to resync. Reset the controller by pressing the small reset button on the back using a paperclip or similar tool. Ensure the controller and PS4 are within range and not obstructed by objects. Replace the controller batteries or charge it fully if it's a wireless model. 4. PS4 freezing or lagging. Problem description. Are you experiencing freezing or lagging during gameplay or while navigating menus? Solution. Close any running applications or games that may be consuming too much system memory. Check for and install the latest system software updates, as these often include stability improvements. Initialize the PS4 to reset it to factory settings. Note, this will delete all data, so back up your saves first. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as online gaming issues can sometimes cause lag. 5. PS4 disk drive issues. Problem description. Issues with the PS4's disk drive can prevent games from loading or ejecting properly. Solution. Clean the disk and ensure it's not scratched or damaged. Power cycle the PS4 by turning it off completely and unplugging it for a few minutes. Manually eject a stuck disk using the manual eject screw located near the disk drive. If problems persist, consider contacting Sony support for repair options. Conclusion. There you have it. We've covered some of the most common PS4 problems and provided practical solutions to help you get back to gaming smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and gaming guides. Have a specific problem or a solution we missed? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, happy gaming.